Big shout out to Leaf. Yes, guys, this is another hack. This is another really good hack if you're looking for a string trimmer and a pole saw. This is from Makita. Great deal. Killer deal. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make part 2 review videos. That's the way YouTubers to platform my subscribers and likes. Alright, so we got 18 volt LXT lithium, brushless, cordless, couple shaft power, head kit with the string trimmer, and 10-inch pole saw attachments, 4 amp hour, the starter kit. So you do get that the pole saw and the string trimmer. Those are the, I would say, one of the number one as needed at every house. $349. All right, so $349, and then you get to select a free tool or a free gift with purchase, not a free tool. You can select from this battery. This is a 4 amp hour high capacity battery valued at $129. You can select that, add both to the cart. All right, for the battery, you're gonna get you're gonna value it at $94.19. But check this out. The string trimmer with the pole saw attachment, you're gonna get it for $254.81. If you're waiting for this deal, jump on it. It's a really good deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.